Good morning everyone, just thought I'd make a quick video. I'm into this euro long against the yen. Euro looking strong this morning. Sorry for talking like I'm half asleep, but I have just woken up. Now I don't really like the entry here, near this little spike, look. So I've set a more lax stop, anticipating a pullback, but I mean, you could wait for a pullback, but I like to just get in, you know. All right. We'll see if I can make any money out of this one then. We have a quick look here. We see on the euro index, it is strong, and the yen index is weakest. So long on the euro versus the yen. At least for the moment, we are very pre-market. It is 6:20 on Monday morning, but for the moment it looks like the way to go is long euro versus the yen. Alright, happy trading. Morning everyone, small update. It is now 7:07, so we've had the sort of market start to open up, well, for pre-market anyway. Where are we? Euro and yen, here we go. So as you can see, I'm quite happy. I did actually take this trade in real money as well. Just to be clear, my trading view is a demo account with Pepperstone. My actual broker is IG, so I got a slightly better entry on my actual real money account. So that's good news. And I didn't have to break my rule. My rule is I want my stop at 0.2% max. You can see here on my position on TradingView, I'm just about able to do that now and stay below the line, obey the line. So there we go. For now, we're getting some bullish momentum continuing at the very tail end of the Tokyo session. So let's see what we get. We've broken out above that. That was my main concern. So yeah, speak later. Happy trading. Morning everyone. Again, I've just got a couple of minutes now to have a look round. Well, actually, I'm not going to have time to have a look round. Let's check our position. Euro, yen. What we got? See, it has come back down. But it looks like we're having a bit of a bounce now. What time is it? 8:12. So we've had the London Open. Looks like it's coming back up. I am going to move my stop up now to... How the hell can I do this somewhere? No, not like that. I want to drag it. Here we go. Let's move it up to... I think we'll move it up to... There. Lovely stuff. Right, so we'll see if the strength continues. At the moment, still a chance of losing money. Never like it when that's the case. But yeah, looks alright, doesn't it? Right, speak later. Right, morning everyone. Sorry, coughing right at the start, not very pro. Let's have a quick look around then. So dollar looking strong. Dollar strongest at the moment. Euro up. Yen has come down quite a bit. Pound is down. Aussie is down and Swiss is down. I don't know who's made those indexes or what their composition is, but there you go. Winner at the moment looks like the dollar versus the yen. I am, of course, in the euro versus the yen, which has rather stalled roughly around the level that I got in. So I'm not sure how much longer I'm going to be staying in this. I am not convinced at the moment that it will continue on up. You see, we're starting to get some lower lows now, so that normally spells danger. We will let it run though. With the yen being weak, we will let it run. What was the state of the euro index? Flattish. That was the 5 days though. Yeah, euro versus the dollar coming down as well. What to do? Don't want to lose any money. I'll have to have a think. Euro index is coming down, look. What is it on the 1 day? Yeah. Coming down. Everything's coming down versus the dollar. How's gold looking? Let's have a look. Yeah, gold broadly higher again, look. Winning most against the Aussie. But up against everything, up against the yen. Maybe that was the play. Oh well, we'll see how it goes. Yeah, speak later. Right, good morning everyone. Let's have a quick look round again. We've still got euro. Still got euro doing alright, look. It has come back up a bit. Yen still looking weak. And everything else looking weak as well. So dollar definitely in charge. Dollar yen going up 0.53, look. 0.5%, lovely stuff. Let's see what my position's doing like. We've not got stopped out, so hooray for me. Still can't move that stop up though. What are we on hourly? Let's go back to our favourite chart. Yeah, you see, we've sort of been grinding higher. I was panicking a bit. Can I draw? Can I? How can I show you where I'm looking on here? I can't really. Let's zoom right in. I was panicking a bit here because we'd sort of broken out of this ascent. Oh, look at that. We've got a bit of a pop now. That's good timing. We'd sort of looked to have made a lower low here. Look, we made a higher high, but then a lower low. I don't like that. But so far, still looking all right. I'm tempted now to move it to break even. But with the yen being so weak, I am going to let it run. All right, happy trading. Hello everyone, we're back again. It's the afternoon now. Just got time for a quick look before I've got to drive somewhere. So let's see what's going off if I've got good enough signal. Dollar's cooled back off now, look, in the indexes. Dollar index coming down a bit. Euro index still all right. Yen index is still down. So let's check my position here. I did move it. I don't know if I did it on here. Oh no, I think I did, but I didn't film it. I've moved my stop up to break even. And I've not checked my email, so let's see if I'm still in. Where the devil is it? Euro yen, here we go. Euro yen. I'm still in it. See, I've got my stop there at break even. And we're up there. So I've taken 1/5%, or nearly 1/4% out of it. Let's change the time frame here, 10 minutes. See what we've got. Okay. So if that keeps on going up there, that'll be a new higher low. And we are about... I wish I could draw on this stupid chart on my phone. How do I do it? Sometimes I do it by accident, but I don't know how I do it. Oh, bugger. Right, whatever. Anyway, you can see what I've got going on there. Yeah, that looks all right, doesn't it? Doesn't look like it's collapsing too badly. So we'll see what we get. I mean, we just had the open at 2:30. So, yeah, US time now and at New York session. I'll have a look when I get home. I'll speak to you then. Right, I think we're on. Hello everybody. Thought we'd do this on pro real time. I was messing about with the weekend. As you know, I've been chatting about changing broker to that Pepperstone thing, but I read some of their reviews, and a lot of people were saying it's so thinking twice about it. I've had a look back on IG. You can get this pro real time thing. And if you actually trade, it's free. So that's good news. I was worried because I've not been too active lately. But it gave me a little message to say, yeah, you don't have to pay for it. So that's good stuff. What it is missing, though, is some of my favoured indexes that I like to look at. So that's a shame. But let's just have a look down here on the sidebar. Cable. You see, I trade the minis. I don't trade big time, guys. I've got a job. I don't want the risk. I just want a bit of fun in the afternoon and evening and morning and like every free moment I get throughout the day. Cable down slightly, still holding above 27. Look, 127. Dollar yen. This has been the big winner today. Not up quite as much as the euro versus the Aussie, but still doing really well. The euro dollar look is flattish. Euro very strong today. Aussie coming down versus the dollar. Oh, I forgot that twice. I've got Aussie dollar. Oh, no, that's euro dollar. No, I'm being thick. Right, okay. Aussie dollar, yeah, coming down. Dollar up versus the Swiss. I wish I could see that Swiss index. Maybe we'll click over to TradingView in a minute just to see what's happening there with the Swiss index. Euros up versus the yen. I'm quite pleased to have made such a big song and dance about this euro versus yen, because it did pop up throughout the Asian session, like pretty much from the open. If I'd have been on it last night, You know, maybe I could have seen, where did we open up? Down here, look, Sunday. Oh, I was asleep by then. I'm not staying up past 10 on a Sunday. I've got work to do. But certainly, like breaking up above this level, look, 158.927, breaking up towards 159, especially coming through this line like that, pow, getting in around here would have been perfect. But I was not awake at 4 bells in the morning, so here we go. On this candle, where was it? 6:20 in the morning. Look, I got in right at the top of that, right at the open price of that candle. Myself, and then I was quite pleased at that 7 o'clock to see the pop. Didn't do much this morning, did it? But then we did get this pop up at 12 o'clock. Now we're cooling off again. I am. You see, with it being a Monday, I'm not too keen to move this stop up yet. I'm at break even. I'm not losing money, and that is really my goal as a trader. Don't lose your money. You know, just try and make a bit of money. What did I say the other day? Eat the crumbs. Rule number 3. Eat the crumbs. That's what I'm all about. See, coming down again now. But with the yen being so weak, the yen's down against almost everything. Is the yen up against anything? No. I think the yen's down. It's even up against the Aussie. Look, Aussie's weak as well today. So, yeah, what we've got here, spot gold. These two are the wrong way around. Look, I need to change those around. I've got the krona on here now. Don't have the krona on my other... on my trading view thing, but krona down against the dollar. Spot gold coming up slightly at 20.50. I can have a look. I've managed to do this. You can do this thing on Pro Real Time where you can make your own instruments. How do I do it? I have to press that to bring it up, don't I? Now, I've attempted to make myself a euro index, but that has not worked. But these ones, I've managed to actually do this, and it seems to have worked well. Gold versus the Aussie, I've managed to make this. And the prices aren't perfect, but they are actually quite close to the real price. So, hooray! I've not checked them that closely. I've just looked at them and thought, yeah, that looks about right. So look at this: New Zealand dollar really losing ground versus gold today, along with the Aussie. So not a good day in Australasia, and the yen as well, also losing gold big time, using ground, excuse me, big time versus gold, with the where is it? The Swiss and oh yes, and the dollar gaining ground, a little bit of ground. Sorry, losing. Oh my god, my brain's not in gear yet. Spot gold is. I need to change the title of this to like XAU USD. So can I do that? Rename the list. But the list is fine. Can I change the name of the instrument? I'd be surprised if I could. New chart. New buy. Customize. I'll faff about with this later. I've lost my little instruments now. Right, so anyway, I've made all these, look, and they are showing you that the New Zealand dollar is coming down, the yen is coming down, and the Aussie is coming down big time. The stronger ones being, well, US dollar being strongest, and euro also looking good. So with that being said, let's check out this chart then. Euro New Zealand dollar. I don't believe I have that up here, so let's go in the little searchy majig. Euro New Zealand dollar mini, there it is. Crikey Moses. Right, come on, let's have a look at this then. Yeah, it has come up, look. Rolling over a bit. Euro just consolidating then, by the looks of it. So what's this? Yeah, 10-minute chart. Euro consolidating here as well, look. Shall we draw a line on somewhere? I think we're going to... I think this is coming back down now. So I am quite tempted to get myself out of this. Let's see, what's the RSI looking like? It's at 44, losing strength. Got red impressions on the MACD. Still in positive momentum there. We have just had this big run up, you see. It might come back down. Is it going to come down and break this though? Or is it going to come down and then shoot back off again? With the euro being strong. We've got some news coming, haven't we? Can we get the news up? What's this? Oh, that's me launching my Pro Real Time, look. Yeah, here we are on TradingView. So let's go to the news on TradingView. No, not the bloody news. Let's go to the economic calendar on TradingView. Upcoming, is it tonight? Right, look at this. We've got the PPI coming out of Japan. producer price index. I don't think they're going to have too many Red Sea related issues there in Japan, are they? Because they'll be dealing with their sort of local nations and then exporting around here to the West. So any inflation will be just from the yen, I guess. I don't guess. It's from the yen. And yen is coming down today and has been on a rundown. So perhaps we will see the PPI come up. See, we're forecast year on year. We're forecast a big drop, so that'll be interesting. That's another reason I'm keen to stay in this euro trade, if I can. Just because there's every chance that inflation pops back up in Japan, and the yen goes down or whatever. I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen, but something will happen, won't it? Oh, excuse me. I'm always yawning in these fucking videos. I'm drinking a coffee. Right, what have we got? We've got some excitement tomorrow morning, haven't we? What we got happening in Europe, if anything much? We've got average earnings on Tuesday morning. That'll be something to look out for. Look, I was chatting about that at the weekend, so I'm not going to go through this in much detail. But yeah, PPI tonight. I don't think I mentioned that at the weekend. Let's just have another look back on the... how did I do it? I want to go back to my actual thing. See, this is why I like this Pro Real Time, right? This is another reason I was actually thinking of changing broker. I don't like seeing money, like how much money I've got and how much money I'm making and how much money I'm losing. I like to see this. I like to see it in percent of, not in percent of my account, in percent of like the instrument, so that I can sort of get an idea. Like obviously if cable moves like 0.1%, and if euro yen moves 0.1%, that's going to be like a similar amount of money made for me, but the numbers will be like vastly different. Does it even say the numbers? No, it doesn't, you see. So anyway, you can see here I got in at 159.250, slightly better than on my paper trading account, and right now the instrument has gone up 18%, which I believe will net me about 20 quid, because I'm only trading minis. I'm only having a laugh. When I build my account up, maybe I'll size up, maybe I won't. I'm not that bothered, to be honest. It's a dream, isn't it, though? Always nice to have a dream. No, it's not a dream. Let's not say that. It's a goal. It's a goal. I do want to build my account and make more money. There we go. I've said it out loud, so it will be true. Okay, what we got here? Yeah, still coming up, look. I do think we're going to get a lower low here. What time is it now? 10 past 3 candle. Just about to get the 20 past 3 candle. And it is cooling off. What to do? I don't know. We're going to let it run. We are going to let it run. And if I lose the position, then I lose the position. As far as I'm concerned, I was right. That's the main thing in it. I said we were going to have euro versus yen coming up. Look at this. It opened flattish, and then through the Tokyo session, it has come right up. And through the European session, it's sort of been grinding higher with a bit of a pop here. Now we're in New York. Maybe we'll see a pullback for a bit, as we do. And then maybe it'll take off. Let's check the indices. I've not had a look at the indices yet today. I've been busy. FTSE down. The IBEX is down, says the CAC is down reasonably bigly. Look, reasonably bigly. Bigly is a word. DAX coming down. Big caps in Dow Jones up a little bit, flattish. How did these open though? I haven't had a look this morning. Let's see what we've had. Where were we this morning? Oh yeah, it's not really gapped, has it? Yes, 500. Let's see. Can we have a look on that hourly perhaps instead? This is the other day, look, where I managed to lose money. I bought here and sold here, and then it did shoot back up again. Or was it the other way around? I sell here, I sold here and bought here. I don't know. I didn't make any money though, that's for sure. Quite remarkable, really, that is. So it goes. It's because I was getting around instead of actually trying. Right, US 500. Let's see. Flattish, isn't it? Russell 2000 coming down. The sensible traders of the Russell 2000 still not happy, bringing that price down. The Nasdaq, even the Nasdaq hasn't really shot off. Look, you see, I've not got any of my big lines drawn on this chart. Why have we got some? Oh, it's the wicks that are green. I don't like green on my chart. Red and green. It looks like Christmas all the time. China. Who cares? Why have I even got these on here? I don't know what they. I don't even know what the Chinese market's called. China 8 shares. I think this is the Hong Kong one, or maybe the other one is the Hong Kong one. I don't know. I need to look that up. Japan in the Japanese session. I should probably have looked at this morning because it would have given me more of an idea. Let's see. Yeah, look, it shot up. It shot up again. So this yet again. Look, stocks go up, currency goes down. The Japanese index here, the Nikkei, whatever you call it, the 225, it has come up. So the yen should be coming down, and that is what I'm betting on. And I've managed to get my position on a Monday, so I am more than happy to let it run as long as it will have me. This is the hourly chart. Look, see, we are getting this pullback now. We could pull back all the way down here, and that would leave me in. So I'm quite happy for it to do that. I would like to make some money this week though, so that you know I'm not all full of shit. But whatever. As I say, long as I don't lose. Right, I think that's all I've got to say. Might do another video later, but I don't know if it's really necessary. Certainly, if this shoots off higher, I will absolutely come back on here and just gloat. All right. Anyway, if you follow my trade, well done. You've made some money. You won't always, I guarantee that. So just make sure you're not going to lose anything now. If you followed me, if you got in this morning, bring your stop up, and don't lose your money. All right, bye bye. Okay, everyone. This will be the final thing because I'm just editing my video now. I just wanted to get back on because I have become excited. If we have a look at this, we have. Shall we draw? I've got some pointer points or something. Info line. What's that? Extended line, horizontal line, vertical line. Info line, let's go with that. Let's do it somewhere around like here. So here, look at that. Got a neck. Can I do another one, please? Stupid thing. What's that? All that rubbish is put next to it. Right, ignore all this gobbledygook. We've got, next line we've got our shoulder line. And then here, look, how can I do a circle? Oh, not this business again. Circle, here's our little head look. So what I'm trying to tell you is I think we have the makings of a head and shoulder pattern here in the euro versus the yen. We have come off this shoulder. If we break then above roughly 159678, I would expect to see us go to 59,800 and probably all the way up to 159 and beyond. At least, you know, here's hoping. Anyway, yeah, that will be all. So happy trading for tomorrow, everyone. Not got any predictions for tomorrow. This is really what I was looking at this week. If you watch my video that I posted on Saturday, I was really all about this yen weakness, trying to find a way to play off the yen weakness. Here we go. Got some bullish momentum now. So this was kind of going to be my play for this week, and I've decided to go for it on Monday, and so far it's paying off, but we'll see. You know, could always come down and get stopped out. You can't count your chickens before they're hatched, as we say. Yeah, bye everyone.